Hello everyone, so today we are checking this magnificent 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ, swimming pool, gym house, cinema, study room and hall. This house is massive. If you are talking of luxury, if you are looking for a luxury 5-bedroom fully detached, this house ticks the box. This house is fantastic. A contemporary 5-bedroom fully detached, well spacious, standing gallantly on 550 square meters of land. That's almost a plot of land. For you to know how big it is, I know you will love to see what we have inside. All right, let's check it together. Look at the exterior. It's gone. This gate is fully automated gate. You can see the artificial greenery outside. Look at the lights over here. And this pole is also an LED light. There is LED lights here to light up the greenery area. All right, let's go in and see what we have inside. Let's start from the compound. You can see the compound is well spacious. Look at the carport over here. The carport can take 3 cars conveniently. As you can see, you can park 1 car here conveniently. It has been demarcated with the artificial carpet. You can park 1 here and you can park another 1 here. So this carport can accommodate 3 cars conveniently. And you can see we have lights under the carport as well. That's that about that. And this place, there is enough space for you here as well. This is also a light. This is floodlights. You have this floodlights here. We have it like that. 1 here, 1 over there. We have another 1 there. All right, let's tour the building around 360 before we go in. All right, so let's go. You can see the compounds go all the way from that place down to the back. I think you can see. All right, let's go. You have this front light for yourself. This is the entrance. This is the main entrance. All right. You have this light over here too on the wall. Okay. So all this is for the AC. This AC piping already installed with pipe. So you can see we have artificial carpets here mixed with natural flower. You can see it by my left and right hand side. Okay, so it goes the way like that to the back where we have the swimming pool. You can see the swimming pool is a sizable swimming pool, wide enough. Okay, so we have the fountain over there. We have 2 fountains. We have 1 here, we have 1 over there, and we have this speaker. Maybe you are in the swimming pool and you love to listen to music, so we have this speaker for you that serves the swimming pool. We have 1 there. We have 1 over here as well. Okay, so and you have this place for like maybe a couch that you can put here to facilitate the swimming pool. Okay, so let's go. So you have your changeover here, and this is the exit from the kitchen. This is the exit from the kitchen. Okay, you have 2 taps. We have 1 here. Maybe you want to wash something outside, and we have another 1 down there as well, making 2. Okay, So this is the BQ. This is the boys quarter. Let's check that once and for all. This is the boys quarter. It has its own toilet and bedroom as well. So this is the second tap. Sorry, we have three taps. We have two here, and we have another one here for your car. Maybe you want to wash your car. We have this tap for you as well. Okay, so we've toured the house around now, so we are good to go in to see what we have inside. Don't forget, the building is a 5-bedroom fully detached on 2 floors. On the ground floor, we have the living room, we have the guest room, we have the kitchen, we have the pantry, and we have the laundry room on the ground floor. On the first floor, we have 3 rooms. We have family lounge. Okay, we have the study room on the ground floor. So on the last floor, we have the 1 master bedroom. We have the cinema. That's all on the second floor. So let's go in and see how it looks like. So coming to the entrance, this is the door you first see that leads to the ante room, where some people call it foyer. So this is the ante room where your visitor can actually sit out before they can gain access in. We have this chandelier here, and directly, and here we have the guest toilet as well. So before you can gain access to the main living room, we have this door, this quality door, before you can go into the living room. So, all right. Wow. This is the living room. You can see is very spacious. It comes with this video doorbell. You can see the switch are smart switches. Okay. So we have this chandelier. Look at it over there, serving the living room. Okay, so this place is a dining area. You can use this place as dining area. You can use it as a mini sit-out as well, or you can use this place as dining area. That's the kitchen over there. So we have this chandelier here as well. So it depends on how you want it. You can use that place as dining, or you can use this place as a dining as well. So we have this exit from the dining to the back. We have this exit, and here we have the guest room. This is the room on the ground floor. This is the room on the ground floor, guest room. So let's check the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. You can see it comes with this 3-in-1 chandelier. Okay, look at the POP lighting. It comes with microwave and oven. It comes with a 5-phase burner, and you have this electric cooker separate. Electric burner, you have it separate over there. And look at the beautiful white marble. Just look at the length of this island. You can see it's very wide. Okay, so, and it comes with this heat extractor as well. There is light here all around like that under the cabinets, and the cabinet, there are enough space for you. So here you have this switch here. So this is for cooker, this for dishwasher, this for oven, this for microwave. It goes all and on like that. So assuming you want to on your freezer, you just press this switch. Okay, so you can see the switch are smart switches. So here, from here, we have the pantry here. This is the pantry. We have this for you intact already. You can see the pantry is spacious enough. Okay, so we have laundry here. This is the laundry. It's come with this washing machine as well. So this is your laundry, and this is the exit. Okay, I've shown you this before. So that's all we have on the ground floor. So let's check the first floor, where we have the 3 rooms. We have study room and box room. Okay, let's go. It's come with this speaker. That's the inbuilt speaker up there. We have it all around the house like that. Okay, so welcome to the first floor. This is the walkway to the room there, and this walkway also serves the staircase. Okay, so this is the chandelier I was showing you on the ground floor. You can see the beautiful chandelier. So this is the family lounge. So you can see how big the family lounge is. Okay, so it's come with this beautiful chandelier, and we have these 2 windows here for enough ventilation in the family lounge. Okay, so let's check this. This serves as room number 2. This is room number 2. This is the wardrobe. It has its own chandelier as well. Okay, so this is the toilet and bathroom. It's come with this wash and basin, the WC, and walk-in shower. Okay, that's room number 2. So let's check room number 3. This is the box room. Okay, directly opposite the box room, we have the gym. So this is the gym, comes fully equipped. Okay, so you have all this for yourself if you are buying this property. Okay, so let's check room number 3. This is room number 3. So here is the wardrobe. You can see the wardrobe is well spacious, and we have the toilet and bathroom here as well. It comes with walk-in shower, the wash and basin, water heater, and the WC. So this is room number 3. Let's check. Sorry, we have our study room here. This is the study room. You have this as your study room. You can see it's well spacious as well. So this is the study room for yourself. You have 3 lights here to light up the study room. So let's check room number 4. Room number 4 is at the front, and this walkway serves room number 4, and this stairway that leads to the master bedroom. So this is room number 4. It has access to the balcony. So it has access to this balcony. Okay. So, and this is the toilet and bedroom. So this is the toilet and bedroom, while this is the walk-in closet. This is the wardrobe. So the sliding door of the wardrobe comes with full mirror. Okay. So we are going to check the master bedroom, which happens to be the 5th room and the cinema. Let's go, come along. So there is light here. There is light all around like that. This place is electrical room, and it can also serve as box room for the master bed. So sorry, there is no light here. This is the cinema. This is the cinema. All right. So welcome to this gigantic and lovely master bedroom. By my left here is the walk-in closet. There is no door here. So, and the walk-in closet goes round from this place down to the end there. So you have all this for yourself. You have all this for yourself. Okay. And this is the bedroom. Okay. Let's take a look at this bedroom. You can see the bedroom is fantastic. Okay, it comes with this simple and lovely bathtub. It comes with walk-in shower, and over there we have the double wash and basin here. We have the WC here, and we have this for you to urinate. Okay, so this is where you urinate, and this is the suspended WC. You have all this place for yourself. So we have the in-view speaker, and we have this lovely lighting here as well. So from your master bed, you have access to the open terrace. Let's go, let's check it out. So from the master, you have access to the open terrace. From here, you can go to the cinema. And this is the open terrace for you to take fresh air. So the one by my right here is another unit. So it's also for sales. This particular unit is also for sale. It's the same size. It's also standing on 550 square meters of land. Okay, I believe you enjoy this video. I believe you love what I just showed you. If you like to inspect this property anytime, any day, just call the number on the screen. I remain your number one trusted consultant in Lagos City. Ibrahim Mood is my name from Zima Homes. Till then, cheers.